I want to tell you, Ruto, that we are aware as a family and as Joluo and as Kenya that you have very, very bad plans. You want to finish the life of Raila. And Ruto, we are warning you. We are warning you. And Ruto, you should also know that that will be the beginning of the end of your rule as a president of Kenya. And Ruto, we also want to tell you that Kenyans have given you the guns. Kenyans have given you the tear gas. Kenyans have given you the water cannon. Not to fight them, but to protect them. And Ruto, when you use them to kill Kenyans, innocent Kenyans who are demonstrating against your misrule, because Ruto, you are overburdening Kenyans with taxes, and the cost of living has skyrocketed. Ruto, Kenyans are telling you that the burden is too heavy and you must reduce that burden on the Kenyan people. And Ruto, if you don't reduce that burden on the Kenyan people, they will continue demonstrating. And Ruto, they don't need your permission. They don't need permission from you. Ruto, the Constitution of Kenya allows Kenyans to demonstrate, to picket,